Okay, this is the last part of the mukbang. So we're having GQ. What do you mean? I don't know. This is original Blizzard. This is in the flavor mango cheesecake. Okay. So while we're eating that, I just want to eat that and just end the video. Like the mukbang, I couldn't finish the whole pizza. But I do mukbang. You guys are good though. Your belly is white. Me, I'm already tired. Okay, people. We're back to talk. Talk. So Valentine was a few days ago. Though I filmed this on Valentine's Day, but it's probably gonna be uploaded after Valentine's Day. The trend on Valentine's Day, just a basic love. But what kind of love is predominantly expressed during the so-called Valentine's Day? Why do we make it into such a big deal? Anyway, I'm gonna say a lot in this video. Not that much, but I'll say something. And then if you want to hear what I have to say, just keep on watching, and then like, share, comment, subscribe, and also hit the post notification bell while we eat. This is an ice cream, like I said earlier. While we eat and talk. So what is Valentine's Day all about? Everybody will just say it's a day of love. What kind of love are we talking about? Most people do not know the story about Saint Valentine's, the one who this day is named after, and what he did. And in today's world, most people, it's almost impossible for anyone to express, to perform that kind of love. Because on this day, what we see is just roaming around. That's what I call it. Couples roaming around, taking pictures, professing their love, dying love for each other on Facebook. Like in this part of the world, it's all about teddy bears and flowers. In my part of the world, it's all about marriage and engagement. My own life is my better, but normally it's not something important to me. Because the love we have nowadays, it's not good at all. Someone can tell I love you to this person, in the next 2 weeks they break up and she's already in love with another person. Love does not go like that. Like in my previous video about the Philippines, these people are so in love and so emotional. So on a day like this, they go all out with the teddy bears and flowers. While in my country, Nigeria, on a day like this, they go all out with dressing, festivities, presents. And I mean presents, good presents like cars, phones, clothes, jewelries, rings, engagement rings, wedding. That's back home, I think. And also, most nations always organize like a mass wedding today to help people reduce the cost of spending wedding. Because also me, I think actually if I ever get married, I also want to do my wedding at 14. Well, first of all, you have little or no guests. Because people will have plans with their spouses. So you just do a simple and intimate ceremony with your own spouse, and then you go home and continue your life. So on this Valentine now, especially with the situation going on in the world right now, the pandemic and stuff, I hope you're able to show love to all people outside your family. Like, go out to the street, share some food, some clothing, some money. Or if you can't even share something like substantial, you can share words, like share the gospel, share words of encouragement to people. Believe you me, your words could mean more to someone who is about to take his life because probably nobody is talking to people. No, in this generation, suicide is very high from very little things like, oh, nobody's talking to me, there's no one to encourage me, I have no friends. So I did like this. Remember to go out and show love to people. Valentine's Day this year was on a Sunday, which is a very good day. If you're a Christian, you go to church and give him praise. I remember the greatest love of them all. I was displayed on Calvary by Jesus. Despite what your denomination may tell you, that's under Christianity, Jesus is Lord. He took your sins and mine. No matter what other religions may say, he's a minor prophet, he's a major prophet. He's the Son of God. We know that. And the greatest love of all time was displayed by him on Calvary. So this Valentine, this 2021, was a very great one. And I hope you were able to show love to people outside the family zone, outside your home. I hope you did not make Valentine's all about material things like we normally do. Because Valentine is more than that. As a Christian, you could go out that day and preach the gospel. There are free books, church Bible believing churches that believe that Jesus is the Son of God. You, like this Sunday, you go to church, you give him praise, you thank God for being able to see another Valentine, another day where you can show love to one another as from one human being to another without any string attached. So that's just what I want to say, because I've noticed that when Valentine comes, we deviate from the meaning of the Valentine. Like me, I don't see Valentine's be very important. But if you're actually going to celebrate it the right way with people outside your comfort zone. Blessings and favors come more in that way. Anyway, that's just what I want to share with you guys today. My own take on love, Valentine, and all what it says. You may not like what I say, but I said it anyway. It may help someone else. So just remember to like, share with your friends and family, share, and then so you can grow its channel, and also you can impact into another person's life. You never know, maybe one thing I said here may be something that could stop someone from taking his or her own life. So that's it for my video anyway. I'll see you guys in the next one, and bye bye.